Hey everyone, if you own an HP printer and have seen this error message before, watch the rest of this video to see what I did to fix it. Alright, so when you get that error message, turn off and back on the printer so the print head and cartridge will return to the center so that you can easily remove it. There should be a latch at the back which you can simply lift and printhead becomes free, and then you can easily take out the printhead. Now that you have the printhead out, simply remove each ink cartridge. This could have been done at the beginning while the printhead was still intact with the printer, but either way, the ink cartridge would still need to be removed. Next, you'll need to remove a few screws using a Torx screwdriver. I'll leave the product linked in the video description below, just in case you're unsure where to get one. Then you'll need to detach the small cable with a tweezer-like tool, which should be great for doing this. You will then want to flip over the small board to reveal the back side where the chips are exposed. And those little blocks that you can see, it's a little dirty. You can try to clean that with an eraser. You can also use an air duster or a 99% isopropyl alcohol, which is great for cleaning boards and chips. If you liked the video so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It'll help me push out more content like this one. Thanks. Now you also want to make sure that the springs are straight and not stuck. Now you can see that a few of them are already jammed, so I'm going to try to straighten them up with a tweezer. Once the springs are straightened out, we can try to tighten up the board again using the Torx screwdriver. Now in front of the chip we have not cleaned, so we're going to do a little bit of that now with the eraser. Again, you can use the 99% isopropyl alcohol or the air duster if you have one available, just to remove whatever is on the surface that we can't see, and that should take care of it. Now with a tweezer-like tool, you can put the small cable back into the slot. Now that we're ready, we're going to try to put the printhead back into the printer and see how that works. Now once you have the print head in, it's going to try to align the printer as you see here, and it's going to go through its motions to print a test page out. If you've gotten this far, it's pretty much safe to say that you've resolved the issue. Now hopefully this video was helpful, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.